number 5 first is insert 3 rational number between 3 and 3.5 using the concept of decimal. So it's 3 and 3.5. So the decimal numbers in between 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. Similarly, 4 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 2 by 5. So 1 by 4, if you convert it into decimal, you will get it as 0.25. How to convert? Just divide it or multiply by 25 on both sides. So it will become 25 by 100. So it's 0.25. Similarly, 2 by 5, if you convert in decimal, you'll get it as 0.4. Now, since the first one is having the 2 decimal places, 1, 2. So to make it the 2 decimal places, we will be writing 0.40. Now you have the decimal numbers from 0.25 to 0.40. So in between as many numbers you are getting, you can write. But you have to insert only 4 rational numbers. So we have chosen only 4 randomly. Like after 0.5 we have taken 0.27, 0.29, then 0.30, which can also be written as 0.3, and then 0.31. So 14 rational numbers you can insert in between. Out of that, we have chosen any 4 of our choice. Now question number 5, third was to insert 5 rational numbers between 1.5 and 1/3 by 4. So 1.5 means 1.5. Convert it. 1 is there, the whole part will be there, and 1 by 2 means half means 0.5 easily. And 1/3 by 4 means 1 is the whole part, so 1.3 by 4 means if you convert it into decimal, you'll get it as 7.5. So now, since here also 2 decimal places are here, to make it the 2 decimal places, we can write it as 1.50. Meaning is same. So 1.50 and 1.75, there will be 24 rational numbers in between. So here also, since only 5 you have to choose, so randomly any 5, 1.51, 1.55, 1.62, 1.73, and any more number we can choose here, that is, let us choose it as 1.74. Now you have to insert 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So the decimal numbers can easily be inserted. So 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 can also be written. So since only 6 we have to insert, we have written only the first 6. Now you have to insert 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So since the denominator is already same, so we don't have to take the LCM to make the denominator same. Directly what we have to multiply, since 5 rational numbers we have to insert, so we'll add plus 1, 5 plus 1, that is 6, and we'll multiply 6 by 6 with both. So 3 by 5 into 6 by 6 and 4 by 5 into 6 by 6. So 3 6 are 18, 5 6 are 30, and here 4 6 are 24 and 5 6 are 30. So in between 18 by 30 and 24 by 30, we can write all the 5 rational numbers which is asked here. It's 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, and 23 by 30. So now reduce. After reducing, it's 19 by 30 will remain as it is. 20 by 30 means 2 by 3. 21 means 3 sevens are 21, 3 tens are 30. 22 by 30 means 2 11s are 22 and 2 15s are 30, and 23 by 30. In question number 10, you have to insert 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 7. So here the denominator is not same, so we'll make the denominator same. So minus 5 into 7 and minus 2 into 7. So it's minus 14 by 35, and 1 by 7, if it is there, to make the denominator 35, we have to multiply 5 here. So 5 here also. So it is 5 by 35. Now, since there is a quite gap in between minus 14 and 5, so easily we can insert. So it's minus 13 by 35, minus 12 by 35, minus 11 by 35, minus 10 by 35 is also there, but we can skip one or two in between because the range is quite given. We can easily find out the 10 rational numbers in between, so that is why skipped. So it's minus 9 by 35, minus 8 by 35, minus 7 by 35 will also be there, which I have not written here. Then minus 6 by 35, minus 5 by 35, so it's reduced after reducing minus 1 by 7. Then minus 4 by 35, minus 3 by 35, and minus 2 by 35. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Insert 6 rational number between 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So first of all we have to make the denominator same. So LCM we have to take. LCM is 6. So now 1 by 2, to make the denominator same, that is 6, we have to multiply the denominator by 3. So numerator also by 3. So it is 3 by 6. Similarly 2 by 3 is there. So to make it the denominator 6, so we have to multiply by 2 in the denominator. So numerator also 2. So we'll be getting it as 4 by 6. So 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. So since gap is not there, so to insert the 6 rational numbers, 6, we have to multiply 6 plus 1, that is 7. So 3 by 6 into 7 by 7 and 4 by 6 into 7 by 7. So after multiplying, we'll be getting it as 21 by 42, and this is 28 by 42. Now in between 21 by 42 and 28 by 42, we can insert many numbers, that is 6, 22 by 42, 23 by 42, 24 by 42, 25 by 42, 26 by 42, and 27 by 42. After reducing, 22 by 42 will become 11 by 21, 23 by 42 will remain as it is, 24 by 42 will become 12 by 21, which can more be reduced, that is 3 4s are 12 and 3 7s are 21. Then 25 by 42, then 26 by 42 was there, so that can be written, if it is reduced, 2 by 13 by 21, and 27 by 42 can be reduced as 3 9 are 27, 3 14 are 21. So the rational numbers are 11 by 21, 23 by 42, 4 by 7, 25 by 42, 13 by 21, and 9 by 14.